Where is the filter? Let's see. Oh, I never seen that filter before. I mean, I've seen them before, but we never got to take them out.
Some of those, some of you guys
Yeah, probably because it's made in the 80s.
The filter's too oily and dirty.
don't have the time to pull that thing off. You ain't lying. I'm working on time trying to get here.
What else can we take apart?
So now we know where the filter is, right?
Yeah.
Now we know. So every time you do oil change on this one, have you done oil change on your channel? Where the filter? You can see it. But this one you couldn't see it, right? This one?
Yeah. It confused me a little bit.
Confused, right?
So I'm gonna bring it all the way down.
This is like
Because I still have to put in the
Cartridge filters.
cartridge filter, yeah.
gasket.
So my point is, the oil pump draw oil from that area. This is like a container for the oil. And it's separate because if you run out without oil, run the bag with oil, some will stay here. And then the pump will grab him for lubrication.
Now I'm looking at my compression.
So the engine doesn't burn.
So this is a oil pump then.
Yeah, it's oil pump.
Tranquilo.
We only have 2 more months here.
Down. Oh, Mr. Mustafa.
You're probably not dirty.
Jose put it in here. Is that how you do it?
Everybody has his own.
Not only.
Everybody has good.
So pretty much spring. Here's the spring side. Like that. Because then that will seal it. So
Wondering why the other people don't have shirts. Wondering why the other people don't have shirts.
other people. I see everybody with shirts.
They don't have to.
Oh yeah, that too. It's because this is before también entraban, salían un chingo de gente con a bunch of people, and they're like, well, we want to have you have the shirt so we could identify you.